Well, welcome back, everybody. It's been a hot minute. I took a short break from bonsai a little bit. It's kind of got a little burnt out. I'm not sure what your feeling is about hobby. It's like, when hobby becomes work, it's no longer fun. You want to do something else. I think after the show, went just a little bit. I just took I needed a little break away from everything. Especially repotting seasons are hitting. The temperatures start changing here. Daylight savings, losing more light. I just needed a break. So I had to do repotting. So you can see I'm actually just repotting here in the cold here, but you know what? Just had to be done. I postponed it enough time that I needed to do some repotting. I need to get back into it. And then sometimes being off social media, being off just taking time for myself finally, just to relax and do what I want to do, which actually was nothing. It was really refreshing. So if you're repotting, you should be near the end of repotting right now for most of that. You can tell it's raining right now. I'm doing this as live as I can. It's just because I thought it was more important for these vlog updates to be as realistic as possible. But right now I am repotting. I'm repotting that the one maple that I showed at the winter silhouette. Here's a picture of it. Now you guys want to see what that looks like. So that's what I've been up to lately. Usually repotting like a mad person at this point. If you've been kind of discouraged or repotting at this point, and you're like me, well, still got time. I've just been watching my trees. It's just popped the lower branches. I'm not sure how this weather is affecting you guys, because we were getting 80 degrees, 90 degrees for the last a good month. Dry, warm temperatures, unlike the East Coast, who is getting freezing bombed at this point. So that didn't help either, because I want to do outside stuff and not bonsai anymore. So that did not help at all. But with that said, I'm repotting and I'm on a roll. And finally get this next rainstorm, so I'm going to work in this as best I can in this weather before it gets dark today. But I did clean my beds out a little bit, so they're kind of weed-free. Excuse me, they're kind of weed-free at this point. I do got 2 trees I want to work on today, other than the couple trees I'm going to repot. One is a Nanking cherry that I picked up from Bob Hessler. When he moved, that was a good 2 years ago when he moved. And then another one was I think it's been 10 years now. It's a super dwarf crepe myrtle that I got from Lowe's for like $5 in a 15 gallon, $5. So yes, you can shop for deals too if you want to. But those are a couple of projects I want to work on today before I finish. But you can see I'm kind of repotting this really old pot. I think this is what kind of pot this is. It's not a Yamabusa, I'll tell you that. Because I collect Yamabusa, my favorite. It has a chop, I have no idea. It looks like a Hammond arrow. 2 arrows. Yeah. Who knows with these bodies, but that's what I'm doing. But that's what I'm attempting to do today. But How far is your repot? I bet some of you guys have done. Yeah, I'm not sure about the weather too. The weather here, like all my elms pop. I'm not sure about you guys, but like it popped like within the last 2 weeks. It went from and then it gets even better. Like some of the elms have not even dropped their leaves at all. I mean, it's full on leaf, so green. You can actually touch it, flick it, and it's still like stay there. And then you see the new bud pop in. So this season, elms, I didn't really get a chance. So the bigger elms are the ones in the shade. They're actually surprisingly have not been popped. So I have no shots to actually repot those later in the season. But without further ado, here are some of the events coming up for the month of February. Of course, this is the month of February, and some things coming up in the next couple of months, at least March. So without further ado, coming up in, dry enough here. Coming up in this Thursday, actually, let me back up. Coming tomorrow is Lunar New Year, so happy New Lunar Year if you're watching this video. Hope you guys have a productive and prosperous year, as we say in Chinese. But that's for everybody here. Of course, if you guys have been watching other news too, another reason I kind of stopped the last 2 weeks, it was really to watch the 100th Kofuku 10 in Japan. Some of you guys actually have gone over there. I've watched part 1, part 2. Here's 1 or 2 links for a couple videos. If I can do the links here, I'm not sure I can do that yet, but if you have not seen it yet, there's part 1 and part 2. So it's like almost a 2-week deal in Japan where they show the first half for about 3 or 4 days. They take about a 1 or 2 day break, and then they'll show the second half. A lot of people are returning from Japan as we speak right now. So if you watched it or you're there, leave a comment. What was your favorite tree, and what kind of inspired you to go over there? I unfortunately did not get an opportunity to go. I actually was working, so I had to go live vicariously through other artists and other people in doing the gram and on social media. But with that, for this month of February, we got this Thursday, we got Milan Karpisek from Germany. He'll do a demo at Baikoen at the LA Arboretum starting at 7 o'clock Thursday, February the 19th. Right after the same weekend, especially Lunar New Year's, the annual Penjing and Bonsai Viewing Stone exhibition at the Huntington Library is showing on February the 21st and the 22nd. And if you didn't know, we're actually we're doing a beginner's workshop for Baikoen that we advertised during our winter silhouette. So on the 21st also, and we're going to be at the Arboretum. But the Penjing exhibits at the Huntington Library. I might be able to get in on the 22nd. I'm not sure. So it really depends on my calendar at this point. But I'll try to see if I can get into that one. And then the end of the month, the following week, in February, the 28th leap year, or leap day, and March 1st, the Bonsai-a-thon at the Huntington Library is going on Saturday and Sunday that same weekend. Unfortunately, I will not be there. As I said earlier, I'll be in San Diego Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at the, Town and Country Convention Center doing the California Region 4 Bex State Championship. But if you're in the area, come visit me. I would love to see you guys see what I do normally on a different scale than bonsai. And then that ends the month of February. Short, sweet, it's only about 2 weeks away. And then of course March, beginning of March, we have March 7th, 8th. The Bonsai Garden at Lake Merritt is having their mammoth auction or sale that is happening at Lake Merritt that weekend. I don't think I'll be able to attend that weekend, but if you do, I'd love to see some pictures on social media, what you guys are doing. Here's a website actually of what they're selling if you're thinking of going. And then on March 19th, we have Josh Miller. He's doing some grafting work at our monthly club. And last but not least, for March 2nd, March 28th, that's a Saturday, happening in Garden Grove at the Presbyterian Church. I forgot which one, I didn't write it down. But the second annual Bonsai Friends Sale is going on with Ron and Gabe. Go down, give them an email, see if you guys want to sell or actually show up. So that is that day. I won't be able to be going that one either. Apparently, our district is having a district showcase that day, and I'm actually presenting that day, so I will not be able to go and record that sale. And last but not least, for April, or coming in April 25th and 26th, is the San Diego Bonsai Club Spring Bonsai Show in Balboa Park. Hopefully I am available that weekend. If not, I might not be available. Sadly, I might not be available. I may be at the World Championship if everything kind of falls in place in 2 weeks. So let's see where everything kind of lies. But that is it going on for the month of February, March, and April. Of course, there's a couple shows showing up. When they pop up, will post for you guys. But again, this is the last bit of repotting. I'm not sure this weather is going to hold up, but we're getting some cool temperatures. I've also been unwiring some trees right now. Some of my tropical trees are falling, like girdling finally. So I'm going to actually start unwiring those things, and then maybe start cutting them back, especially if we get some spring heat now. We're coming up in the month of March, technically. Other than that, if you guys went to Kofuku 10 and you'd like to leave a comment below, we'd love to hear it. If you have other events coming up and I missed it, please send me an email. I'd love to post it when I get a chance. And I'll talk to you guys, or I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.